Welcome to the MoneyShow.com video network. My guest today is Mendelsohn. Welcome, Lane.
Thanks, Tom.
You know, with all the financial scandals that are cropping up every day, it seems, since you follow, social networking amongst traders and investors, how are they starting to react to this? Do you see any reaction?
Yeah, I have seen kind of a shift, and I think that shift is to education. More people want to become more educated on the markets and investing as a whole. Some of the people have actually decided they want to take control of their own funds and take it away from the guru or the advisor that was previously advising for them and control it themselves. Others say, you know what, I work full-time, I don't have the luxury to handle that on a full-time basis, but I do want to be more informed so I can more intelligently discuss strategies with my advisor or broker.
So that person, that second category, they're learning more about the markets, not enough to take the reins themselves, but just so they can ask the right questions?
Yes, I think it's so that they can ask the right questions, but so that they can also really collaborate with their advisor or broker and kind of put two heads together and come up with what's the best strategy. Because a broker or an advisor, they're looking at things from one side of the fence. But when it's your money, you're thinking about your bills, you're thinking about your risk propensity. What do you want to do? What are you comfortable with? And I think if you can meld both together, you'll be able to make a better, more informed investment decision.
Yeah, and it's sort of not only the financial scandals, but a lot of our best known and highly touted mutual fund managers who have these great long-term records, they're generally value investors, have had a horrible last couple of years. And so that whole nucleus has changed too, I would think.
Oh, it definitely has. And I think personally, what I've looked at and from what I've seen on the site is that people are taking a portion of their money and saying, you know what, I'm gonna handle this. I'm gonna manage this portion myself. So they may leave, 2/3 or half with advisors or money managers, but they may take a portion of it for themselves. I mean, let's face it, Tom, no one cares about your money as much as you do. That doesn't mean that necessarily you'll do better than someone else, but you'll do your best to ensure that whatever you do is in your own best interest. But I think that if you're not educated, if you don't have the right information at your fingertips, and it needs to be timely, it's going to be hard for you to do that.
Well, thank you very much for the information, Lane.
Thanks a lot, Tom.
And thank you for joining us on the MoneyShow.com video network.